Hi, this is Kevin Barrett with Safe Road Services, and in this segment we're going to talk a little bit about some of the other agricultural byproducts and inhibited products in the industry, starting off with liquids, and then we'll follow up with a little talk about some of the pre-treated products. We've already talked about safe melt. That's a 40% forestry byproduct of the pulping industry, and calcium chloride. We've talked about ice be gone, and that's basically 50% sugarcane molasses and 50% mag chloride. It's often referred to as magic -0. Ice be gone 2 is another product, and that's 24% mag with a 20% molasses concentration. It's also referred to as magic -0. Ice Band, the original product that started this whole thing off, you don't see that as much anymore, and that is basically a combination of either light, medium, or heavy corn steep water and magnesium chloride. Another product that you see once in a while is a product called GeoMelt, and this is a combination of sugar beet molasses and either calcium, sodium, or magnesium chloride. Some of the other products that have less agricultural byproduct in them, we'll start off with a product called Meltdown 30, and this is basically 99.5% magnesium chloride of a 30% concentration with 0.5% of a product called triethylamine, and this is basically, among other things, a corrosion inhibitor. We have Meltdown 26, which is again 99.5% mag and 0.5% triethylamine, again a corrosion inhibitor. Caliber M1000 that you see once in a while. Now this product is 10% high fructose corn syrup and 90% magnesium chloride. Another Caliber product is M2000, which is 20% high fructose corn syrup and 80% mag chloride. The last one, a product called HydroMelt, and it's what Cargill uses to treat their salt to make the Clear Lane product. This is 99.3% mag and 0.7%, again, triethanolamine, which is that corrosion inhibitor I mentioned earlier. Moving on to the treated salt products. In other words, these are products that you can buy with agricultural byproduct already in them. Clear Lane is Cargill's product, and again, that's their salt treated with this HydroMelt product. International Salt also has a product that it's pre-treated. They call this Blizzard Wizard. American Rock has a similar product, but there's no official name for it. Now these are the products that are out there, both in liquid and in solid form. But what I want to do at this point, I made a big deal about these high percentage organic blends. I want to show you what I'm talking about. And I have some samples here in front of me that I will use to demonstrate this whole issue. These first two are basically almost, these are chloride brines. This is calcium chloride. I want to see if you can look at the coating action of the calcium. You see it slides right off the side of the sample jar. This is Meltdown 30, which is 99.5% mag, as I said previously. I want you to see that. This is Ice Band. This was the one that started it all. I want you to see the coating action of this product. See how it sticks to the side of the sample bottle? This is Caliber M2000. Again, 20% high fructose corn syrup, 80% mag chloride. I don't know if you can see that coating action. There's not much. Now this is Safe Melt. I want you to see this. This is a completely different story. There's a tremendous amount of adhesion to the sidewall of this sample bottle. And the reason why that's important is because if you're trying to get this product into your own sand or sand salt stockpile, you're going to get a hell of a lot more of this material into a ton of sand, or a ton of salt, I should say, than you would something like this. Do these other products work? Yes, they do. But the reason why these products are so successful is because you can get more of them into a ton of salt than you can in any of these others. And this is basically what the high-tech report came out with in 1999. I'll get into that a little bit more. But this is important. You have to see this in order to understand why that high-tech report was what it was. Another thing I wanted you to see was salt that's already treated with these high percentage organic blend. It's brown. And you can see that dark brown color is important for a number of reasons, and one of which is that you can start weaning yourself away from sand. Basically, the more sand you have in your mix, the longer it's going to take you to get the job done, the more gasoline you're going to waste, the more man hours, the more wear and tear on the truck. This is very important, and I'll sign off this particular segment with that information. Again, I'm Kevin Barrett, Safe Road Services. Thank you very much for watching.